What's up, dudes? It's Molly. I got my red hat on. A red hat might mean something. Let's see, who's this message for? I've got all the signs here. Who's this message for? An angel? A halo? Something might mean something like that. Scorpio. This message is for you. Scorpio. What does Spirit want to show you right away? What's the message for Scorpio? We have the Eight of Pentacles. Somebody's thinking about work things. This person usually works by themselves. Spirit, this might be a high priest. This might be the head of a big business, a big something like that. All right. Spirit's bringing in a spiritual thing. All right. Tell us more. Spirit's showing this person somebody who has been manifesting for a very long time. Okay. They've received truth and clarity about the situation. All right. Let's hear more. We have the Five of Swords with the Chariot and the Eight of Swords in reverse. All right. Somebody got the truth about something and it got everybody unstuck. All right. A car might mean something. Cancerian energy. Let's hear more. Okay. Spirit showing the Three of Swords, betrayal. So the Three of Swords is the worst feeling in the tarot card deck, besides devil energy. This is the I hear storage. The Three Swords stand for heartbreak, betrayal, and delay. And Spirit is showing somebody is taking note that somebody might have cock-blocked, prevented the truth from coming out for a really long time. Oh, now I see the Seven of Cups is under this. I didn't see the Seven of Cups. Somebody hid the perfect person. You know who this is? This is the right-handed genius wild child. The right-handed genius wild child came in and said, knock, knock on the business. This is how it came through. And said, hello, here's my resume. And the doorman wouldn't let them open. The doorman wouldn't open. And then the doorman put their foot on the door and said, no, you might be better at the job than me, and I work hard at hardly working. And so the doorman grabbed, only opened the door a little bit, grabbed the resume, and went and stuffed it in the back file cabinet in the back room of Ned Flanders' leftorium. All the hopes and dreams of the right-handed genius wild child have been stuffed in the file cabinet in the back room of Ned Flanders' leftorium. A left-handed person might mean something. And that's when Spirit said, yeah, it's like the doorman cock-blocked the perfect employee. Somebody maybe sent a treatment or something. Spirit said that's enough. Somebody might have got a DUI, something like that. This person continuously betrays. All right, so what Spirit did was Spirit blew open the file cabinet, pulled out the resume, folded it into a paper airplane, and flew it right into the forehead of the emperor. So take a look at this. We got a superstar here. All right? Somebody might be destined to be famous. We have healing Aquarian energy. Somebody's going to go from a mediocre employee to the best employee they ever had. Okay? I feel like a card came out. I don't think it did, though. Everything's getting set straight really fucking fast. All right? We have the King and Queen of Swords here, divine counterparts. These are two highly intelligent people. highly intelligent people. These people may have maybe divorced people. These people may have already had a marriage or something like that, or one of them may have. They're two highly intelligent people. All right? Somebody is done holding back. I just heard like Delbert or something like that. Delson. I hear Dibbit. I hear replace your divot. The doorman was hiding this person's divine counterpart. All right, final message. Counterparts have seen each other. Okay. Yeah, here comes the Emperor. He's pissed off. All right. The Five of Pentacles is being left out in the cold. Poverty. Being left out on purpose. Not helping. This is not what this Emperor is about. So the employee that cock-blocked is out. Their divine counterpart is in. Spirit's making it very, very clear. Okay, bottom of the deck. Yeah, they're getting their wish fulfillment. Whatever cock-blocked, yeah, everybody should be rich. Everybody should have enough money. But somebody cock-blocked it, so nobody has any money. Or just the Emperor, and the Emperor understands how terrible this whole situation is. All right, that's the lesson of the Three of Swords, of heartbreak, betrayal, and a whole lot of delay. A whole lot of delay. So whoever hid this resume may have tried to do a destiny swap with the perfect employee. Yeah, it's not happening. You hear that, Scorpio? It's not happening. The blessings go to the rightful receiver, or this Emperor is going to keep getting towers. There's the message.